Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Hello everybody, hello and welcome to John on a Bike and welcome to the coast. We are through the coast, me and Katie.
Hi everybody.
We're through at the coast, we're through at Tynemouth, Whitley Bay. We've just set off from St Mary's Lighthouse, which you might be able to see just over Katie's shoulder there in the distance. St Mary's Lighthouse, and we're heading down into through Whitley Bay.
Whitley Bay, Tynemouth, and then the North Shields Fish Quay.
Yeah, we did this, was a few years ago, wasn't it? Yeah, we did this a few years ago. During COVID, but then they had a temporary cycle path in. They put a temporary cycle path which closed one side of the road, which was good. But we came through here last week for just to walk around and noticed that they've actually made a proper cycle path. Proper cycle path, like way! So I thought, I've got to come back and try it out. So that's what we're doing today. We're trying out the new cycle path through here. It looks fantastic, doesn't it, Katie?
Looks amazing.
Yeah, the cycle path looks fantastic. So yeah, when I saw that, I thought I've got to try that out. And it's a lovely day. It's about 19, 20 degrees, isn't it? Something like that. So bright, nice sunny day. So hopefully it's going to be a good one. Look at this, guys. Isn't this lovely? Beautiful. Really nice. We're lucky actually here in the northeast. We have some really good beaches. Not always the weather, but we have some good beaches. So yeah, last time we were down here was during COVID. A lot quieter than okay, wasn't it, during COVID?
Yeah.
Well, just after COVID, wasn't it, when you're allowed to go out?
Yeah, it was busy.
Just the end of COVID, yeah. We've just gone on the front in the town centre now, as you can see here. We've just gone past, have we gone past the Spanish City, Katie?
Yeah.
Spanish City's up there, isn't it? You can see the dome of the Spanish City there. It's now a fish and chip shop restaurant, but years ago it used to be like arcades and all sorts in there, but they refurbished it. It's nice though, but it's just a fish and chip shop restaurant now. We haven't tried that yet, have we? Fish and chip shop restaurant, but we're not on the proper cycle path. Well, it is a cycle path, but it's not the new part yet. This is just a shared path with walkers and cyclists. But soon we'll be hitting the real cycle path soon, the new one. So we're now at a place called Cullercoats. We're just heading through. It's really nice. Me and Kate was just through here the other day on that beach. It was lovely. So we're now coming into Tynemouth now. This is Tynemouth. We've come through like Whitley Bay from St Mary's Lighthouse, Whitley Bay through Cullercoats and out to Tynemouth, Katie, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that right?
That's right.
And we're soon going to hit the proper cycle path soon. It's nice, really nice. Never ridden on it yet, but look very smart. So as you can see, guys, this is the beginning of the cycle path. This is the start of it, and it's still working by the looks of it, as you can see. Bits of roadworks and stuff going on. But how nice is this, eh? How nice is this? Proper cycle path. This is a little bit extra, Kate, when we were here. Was this here? Yeah. When we walked along last week?
Yeah.
But yeah, proper cycle path, look. I'll just get in front of Katie so you can see us better. It's a very nice hotel as well. Me and Kate were looking at that last time we were here. Very art deco looking hotel. Looks like it's been done up, painted. Very smart. Very smart. So yeah, this is a proper cycling path. You don't get many of them around the northeast, I tell you that for nothing. In fact, I think this could be the only one I've seen actually. Proper one. Very nice. Very nice. What do you think of it, Katie? What do you think of it? Fantastic. So as well as this fantastic new cycle lane, they've also made the path a lot better as well, which is fantastic. You can see here, put a whole new path down. Whole new path for a new cycle lane. How cool is that? Absolutely brilliant. I've done a wedding at that hotel before actually. Photographed a wedding in there, and we took the bride down to the sea down here, down that ramp over there, and we ended up getting wet because a rogue wave came in. This huge wave came in and then splashed her. Yes, that was fun. That was fun. Good times. But yeah, as you can see here, this side of the road is all being closed off, and it's just one side traffic here. Look. And the distance there, we've got Tynemouth Priory, isn't it, Katie? Tynemouth Priory, yeah. Unfortunately, the cycle lane does end here, just in the town centre, but still really, really nice. And actually makes it a lot quieter as well when you're come up here, even you're walking. So much nicer and quieter because there's so much less traffic about. It's a nice town though, very nice, very smart. Got a button up as well. And over here, got the Priory. And Katie waiting patiently for us. Hi Catherine, you alright?
Yeah.
Just coming quite a big hill there. And Priory behind, and we've come over the other side of the hill, and we're heading down towards the fish quay, isn't it? Fish quay at North Shields. So come through Tynemouth, and now we're heading down the fish quay.
That's South Shields.
And that's South Shields on the distance where you know we've done videos there before, just over and see the mouth of the Tyne. Yeah, and of course the sea to your left. Got a bit of a hill to go down here, and then we'll go along the edge. There's fantastic ice cream down here, don't they?
Yeah.
We had an ice cream here last time we came down.
Did, but you're not getting one this time because we'll get one on the way back. We'll get half Nutella, half.
I'd rather one of them ones. They do it further back down there. They do ice cream and it's half Nutella,
Half
and
vanilla.
half vanilla.
Their own homemade.
Yeah, so it's their own recipe, isn't it?
Yeah, their own made.
It's really nice. Like we'll see. I may get one of them.
Yeah,
We'll
you
see.
will.
Yeah, I'll get one of them.
John will get one of them. He's got no choice.
Yeah, nice. Like very unusual. So we're down the side here. That's not our bike rattling, by the way. That's the. This barrier here blows in the wind. But it's nice down here. It's lovely. Just goes along the edge of the
Thank you.
the harbour, isn't it?
It's just the mouth.
Yeah, mouth of the Tyne. Yeah. It's a nice little track.
There must be one new people driving up.
What's that they're doing? Yeah.
Well, they've got
The groin of the side there behind Katie there, it's all scuffling around it, yeah. But yeah, all this over here, it's very, very popular for walking, isn't it, Katie? All the way around the edge here, very popular.
I would walk around it every day if I lived here.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah, definitely. So we are just down by the fish quay, which is there, right behind us. We had fish and chips down there, didn't we, Katie, last week? Well, not fish and chips, just some chips and curry. Oh, it was gorgeous, wasn't it? Really nice. Well, not today. Today we're having sandwiches. Katie's made some nice sandwiches. And there is a statue. It's by the same person who did, what do you want to call one in Seaham? Tommy. There's a statue in Seaham, which I think I've showed you when I've been through there on my bike, called Tommy. And this one is done by the same person. It's fantastic. Look at this. How cool is that? Really good. It's huge as well. I'd have been said by me standing next to him. It's big. He's big. Yeah, there's a few of these statues around. They're brilliant. So yeah, so we're just down. You can see down here, down the harbour. There's the entrance up there. Sometimes you get some big ships coming through here as well. Last time we stood here, actually, a big Nissan car carrying ship came through, because the Nissan factory's just up the road there in Sunderland, and obviously all the cars that they're exporting to Europe and such like get taken out here. That's a huge ship, You can see very popular, loads of people here, motorbikes. It's a nice place, very nice. Got Katie sitting over there. We just had our dinner, chilling out a bit before we head back around. I don't know if we're going to go any further around the fish quay, but we might just head back along, just along the edge there. That's where we've come along. You can see just along there, and then back up towards, there's a monument there. There's a little hill going up there, and that goes over the other side. It's a good route, this though. If you're through this way, it's a good route. So we're heading back around now from the other side, from the fish quay area, back out to Tynemouth again. Back past the rattly railings, you can hear them in the background. It's these here, it's where the wind hits them in a certain way. We was doing this last time we were here, wasn't it, Katie? Yeah, last time we walked around here last time. We went on our bikes last week and they were rattling away like mad to say last time. Weird. But yeah, so yeah. I'm going to go up quite a steep hill there, up over the top. Go on, Katie. Go on. Well done. Well done. Yeah, all right. Just stick a camera in your face like they do on the Tour de France. And how are you feeling? And how are you feeling? How exhausted? Is there any comments you want to make? Is there any comments you want to make? So, we're back on the bike track again, heading back from Tynemouth, back down towards Whitley Bay area. Oh yeah, is that what it is? Is that the bike hard shoulder because you break down? Like that, like it. So this is where we are. We're in Cullercoats. As you can see, we've got quite a bit of history about it. Smugglers in Cullercoats. Cullercoats was known for smuggling due to the myriad of bears and the village's relative isolation. Life saving in Cullercoats. Salt and coal, of course. Had to be in the northeast. Got to be coal mentioned there somewhere. So that's a bit of shot of Cullercoats rather than just showing you the town centre before there. As you can see, it's lovely. Very nice. It's a nice beach down there, kid, isn't it? Yeah, we were down on that beach over there just last week, and there's a cave actually just over there on the side. Quite a long cave you can go into. But yeah, and there's the priory right over the other side where we're just over there earlier. So we've kind of been all along there, all along the top, over the other side, and down, and kind of to your right a bit as well. Yeah, it's very nice. But we are heading that way, back along towards Whitley Bay. Isn't that right, Katie? Isn't that right? So we're getting back down towards Whitley Bay now. Path's much wider here. The thing is, when you come off the cycle track, it's okay, but it's a bit rough in the path in places.
9 miles.
Isn't it?
9 miles.
9 miles we've just done. Isn't it though?
Yeah.
The path's a bit rough, isn't it, in places? Yeah. I mean, here it's wide. A bit bumpy in that, but it's wide, as you can see. Nice and wide. Oh, and it gets better here, look. Improves here where they've been redoing it. But it's going to take time, isn't it? To do the whole thing. It's going to take time. Time, there's a clock. But yeah, some parts are quite narrow as well. So if you do come through here, watch out for people, because there's lots of people walking about.
But you will enjoy it.
Yeah, you definitely will enjoy it, yeah. It's a good ride, especially when the weather's as good as this. Because the scenes around here is beautiful and the beaches are lovely. We've got fantastic beaches here. As you can see here, fantastic beach. And look at that, look how sandy that beach is. Beautiful.
Flag award-winning beaches.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, blue flag award-winning beaches these are. Excellent beaches. Just need the weather. And today we've got it. Yeah. So we're still heading back along. You can see St Mary's Lighthouse is just out there with the scuffing around. That's where we're going to go back to. So we've got a fair way to go back along the beach. So as you can see, there's the Spanish city I mentioned earlier. Used to go there as a kid. Whitley Bay, the dome, the white dome. Here with the Taj Mahal doors. That's reference to the fact that the locals used to call it the Taj Mahal. As you can see why. Well folks, you've just missed out our ice cream. I would have took a picture and showed you, but we were too busy eating and enjoying it. It was lovely, wasn't it, Katie?
It was absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, it was good ice cream. I think we wanted to eat it quick because it's a bit windy and it's a warm wind, so we didn't want it to melt. So yeah, we scoffed it. So yeah, got to do the important things. Get ice cream. And now we are heading back along the side of the beach here towards St Mary's Lighthouse just over in the distance there with the scaffolding around it. Pure tops they've got on. Well, we are back. We are back at the car, as you can see here. Back across this side. So we've come all the way from right over there. There's a lighthouse right in the distance where the priory is all the way along there, along there, and back down here. And we're back. And how far is it, Katie? How far have we done?
I don't know until it's finished.
It's probably about 10 miles, I bet.
10.9 something, I think.
10.9, we think?
Yeah,
11 miles?
about 11 miles.
I'll put it on the screen here somewhere, but we think it's about 11 miles. But it's been an absolutely fantastic day out, hasn't it? It's been a fantastic ride.
Really good.
That new cycle path's really good, mind. Really good cycle path. And obviously it doesn't go all the way down from here, all the way down. It goes from Tynemouth town centre, doesn't it, to Cullercoats? Isn't it Cullercoats it stops at? Cullercoats it goes to.
The aquarium at Tynemouth.
Yeah. Stops before the aquarium. But apparently they are going to come all the way down to here at some point, which will be very interesting if they do that. But it's well worth coming through, well worth trying out yourselves. And through here, as I said before, this coast is lovely. Blue flag coast. Really good water quality, and the beaches are fantastic, as you can see, all the way along. Sandy beaches. Really good. So anyway, as always, thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves. It's a goodbye from me.
Bye, everybody.
And it's a goodbye from Katie. Take care. See you all later. Bye-bye. Bye. See ya.